What is your name and your secondary level?
My name is my name. Then my name is called Wayne from Sec 1.
Yin and I'm from Sec 1. My name is Divya and I'm Sec 1.
My name is my name is Xuan and I'm from Sec 1. Yeah.
Yeah, can. You?
Thet too. I'm from Sec 1.
Okay. Yourself?
My name is Yin Divya from Sec 1.
Yeah, okay.
I'm Jonathan from Sec 1. My name is Anthony, also from Sec 1.
Oh, okay. Well, all sec 1, same class.
Yeah, we are the same class.
All same class.
Okay, so our first question for today. What do you, Yin, want to be when you grow up?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Not sure also. Okay, so second question.
I don't know.
Yourself?
Maybe a game designer. Who knows?
Game designer. YouTuber.
Just be a police.
Be a police man. Okay.
Badminton player.
No idea.
Why you want to be a YouTuber? The two of you. Maybe you can make YouTube videos together, right?
Make music for people. I'm guessing.
So will it be like your good like occupation, like what next time you want to grow up, you want to get married, you want to start a family, will you be using YouTubing or not?
No.
No. Next time you want to be a game designer, right?
Yeah.
So where are you going to learn how to design games?
I don't know. Maybe sign an internship at JC or something. I don't know.
Oh, okay. That's why you want to be a policeman.
Just wake up and just feel that.
You wake up and you feel that you want to be a...
The second question. What is your, do you have any interests or hobbies?
Sports.
Sports. Okay, so what is your CCA?
Netball.
Do you want to be a netballer? Maybe?
No.
No? Okay.
Do you dream of representing Singapore?
Yeah, sort
You do
of.
What do you do in your spare time?
Play instrument.
Play badminton all with friends.
Besides badminton, anything else?
Basketball.
Basketball.
By any chance, would you like to pursue maybe something to do with music in the future?
Maybe.
Besides these two, do you do anything else?
Meet up friends to study like sleep all.
Then if somehow you cannot make the mark, then do you have like other things that you want to do?
Take over my father business all.
Okay, that's nice.